Okay, so here is how to do an annual report. Basically, you're going to go to ISC login. Once you log in, you're going to go to your home page here, and I've signed in already. And then you're basically going to file your annual return, so you can do updates to the entity. You can do business corporations, all kinds of things for new or reserve or whatever. We're going to do an annual report. So basically, I'm doing an annual report for Refocus. It'll pop up. You go there and you got to push in your access code. Oops. And then once you're in there, you're doing your annual return. And so basically it's just going through a list of things that you have in there, and you're just confirming that everything is still good. And I'm going to make a quick change here. Everything else seems to be the same. It's fairly easy to do an annual report if you have no changes. I'm basically certifying that I'm authorized to make these changes and adjustments. I submit it. It's going to basically ask you how you're going to make the payment. So I have an account balance already set up, so I'm going to just make it easy and pay out of that balance on my account already. Now, to do any of this, you have to have your own setup in here and have access to that corporation. So some of these, I'm the only one who has any access to them at all. If you set up your lawyer or accountant or administrator or somebody else, you have to give them access to those sites so that they have their own code. Otherwise, it's not good to sign in with somebody else's name. Obviously, this is me. Okay, so then once this pops up, this is the only place you're going to get this for free. Otherwise, you have to pay to get this later. So you definitely want to save this. How am I going to move? I guess I'm going to... Anyway, so that's it. Essentially, there's your annual report, and you can put that into your minute book. That's all I got for today.